Hi, I'm the Rapping Chef, and today we'll be making crab cakes with a nice tropical salsa. There are 3 steps making crab cakes. 1, you're gonna have your veggies. 2, you're gonna have your liquid mix. And 3, you're gonna have your crab meat. So let's get started. Step 1, you're gonna add peppers. I like to use a medley of peppers, red, green, and yellow. 2, you're gonna add celery. 3, you're gonna add onions. Then you're gonna need a saute pan. Fire up your stove. Get that going, get your pot nice, not too hot. You're gonna add all that items in there and you're gonna saute nicely. Till you see the onions are translucent and the peppers are a little bit, the tap bit soft. We're gonna add a little Old Bay, a little bit of garlic powder, and a little bit of turmeric. Hey, I'm from the islands, don't judge me. Mix it thoroughly. Then we're gonna put that to cool down for a little bit. Now let's get to our liquid mixture. 2 tablespoons of mayo, 1 chopped bunch of cilantro, 2 eggs each, 2 ounces of lemon juice, 1 ounce of Worcestershire sauce, and finally 2 packages of Ritz crackers. You're gonna whisk your eggs together till the whites are gone. It's all yellow. Add your mayo, add your chopped cilantro, and add your lemon juice, add your Worcestershire sauce, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, whisk thoroughly. Step 3, you need a pound of crab meat and your already chilled veg. Mix all together with your hands preferably. I use my hands. It's easier to use my hand. Then now you're gonna add your liquid mixture from your second step. Now we're gonna get our 2 packs of crackers. And then this is where the Hulk style come in. We're gonna smash. You're gonna Hulk smash those crackers to bits. Then add it to your mixture. Fold in nicely. So now we're going to mold and shape our crab cake mix into 6 cakes. Or however you want to do them, baby cakes, dinner size crab cakes. You do it to suit the event. Get you a large saute pan, add some veggie oil. Olive oil cannot heat up as much as a regular vegetable oil or corn oil, whatever oil it is, but olive oil cannot take heat like sear those 1.5 minutes on both sides and get nice golden brown colors. Get you a tray, pull them from your pot, pull them from the pot, you know. Add your nice golden brown crab cakes to a tray. Now you're gonna set your oven to 350 degrees. Time for this, cooking time 10 minutes for your cooking time. Lastly, we're gonna make our tropical salsa. Add your mangoes, add your pineapples, add diced red onions, diced peppers, 2 ounces of lemon juice, add chopped cilantro, 2 ounces of honey, and now you're gonna mix that all together and let that sit for about 5 to 6 minutes, and then you add a pinch of salt for flavor. So now let's go check back on your crab cakes. They're nicely done, they're golden brown and ready to serve. So now you're gonna get your tropical salsa. You know, presentation is the key. You know, item could just be an item on the bowl or a plate. But once you present it nicely, nice garnish down, get your crab cakes, and then you get your tropical salsa mix on there, and boom, there you have a wonderful crab cake. I'm the rapping chef Mac the Real. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. This is my cooking channel. We have a lot more to come 2020. Let's get to it. Let's go right to it. And me, rapping chef Mac the Real. Thanks for joining me.